Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you 4 easy head wrap styles that anyone can do. You want to start out with your hair in a high puff for each style. Each headscarf that I'm using today will be listed in the description below. With the first style, you want to wrap this scarf around the back of your neck, and with the 2 sides, crisscross it in order to tie it just like I'm showing you here. Once it's tied, you grab one side, twist, and then wrap it around itself in order to create one knot, and then tuck it to secure it. Do the same with the other side, but it's slightly different. You're going to take that twist and wrap it around the other knot that's been previously created. Continue around in a circle, and then when you get to the top, you're going to tuck it and pull the scarf through to create a flower effect. With the second style, you're going to crisscross the sides just like before, tie in the front just like previously, and then you're going to twist both sides together and wrap it around itself and tuck to secure it to create one beautiful knot. With this third style, wrap around the back of your neck, tie it in front again, take the 2 sides and twist it, but this time instead of making a knot, you're going to go down the side of your wrap and tuck it in the back, and you get an elegant wrap with a side twist. Now for your fourth and final wrap, you're going to begin as you did before, around the back of your head, make a tie in the front. Make sure your curls don't get caught in the wrap itself. And then you're gonna twist each side of the front and go around the top of your puff. You're gonna tuck it in front to make sure it stays secure, and repeat on the other side, but this time going in the opposite direction to support your puff on both sides. If you thought this video was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments which style you like the most. Thanks for watching.